back to my channel. My name is Nebula, and this is Nyla. Say hi, Nyla. Anyway, bless you. Well, Nyla's tired, so she's gonna take a nap on my back while I wax my armpits. So, this is waxing at home. I have a little bit of, well, yeah, it's not that much, a little bit of hair. I think I shaved maybe like a month ago, and I usually don't shave. I usually wax my armpits, but we were in the middle of moving and I did not have all my wax and stuff, so I just shaved. And it's summertime, so like I can't be walking around looking all hairy and, you know, yeah. So to try to, you know, be more confident and feel cuter, I was like, let me just shave. But I really do prefer to wax because it lasts longer, and also with shaving it gets like itchy. So I'm just gonna alright, I'm done. Do you mind? Do you mind? Is there something you want to say? Anyway, so I'm going to show you what I do to wax at home. I have this waxing, like, pot, I guess. This heater, wax warmer. I got it off of Amazon. I can link that down below. I've had it for a few years, so it works pretty well, I would say. I mean, it does the job, melts wax, so. I've had that heating up for a little bit so the wax is all melted. I have these wax sticks, well, popsicle sticks. Shout out to my auntie. She gave me this whole box, and I don't think I'm gonna ever run out because it's like so many, but these get the job done as well. So yep, they look like that. And I also have this Cerapill before and after cleanser, and I have aloe vera. I got this from Target. I think I got this one from Sally's maybe. And then I have some baby powder. So yeah, as you can see here, the wax is all melty, so that's a good consistency. You can also test it from putting it here on your wrist to see if it's too hot or not. So I'll try. I guess. Nope, doesn't feel too hot. Alright, we're gonna start off by cleansing the pits. I did take a shower this morning, but I did not put deodorant on because I knew I was gonna wax myself, so it would just be pointless to put deodorant on. Spray that on there. Spray that on there. And I'm gonna use a cotton pad to wipe it all clean. Yeah, I know. And I'm gonna put some baby powder on. This is a personal waxing machine, and I just only use this stuff for me. So if you are sharing with somebody else, don't double stick your wax. Just make sure, you know, you wash your hands, you're just sanitary, and just, you know, don't want to. Little girl, what are you doing? So I got the wax. I'm twirling it to just kind of cool it off a little bit. You don't want to burn yourself. Get all the baby hair out the way. You don't want to wax the baby hair. And I think you wax with the hair growth, but I can't really see which way. Trying to put a little lip on the bottom so I can pull it up. Oh, so yeah, you want to make sure it's all dry. So I just touched it. It was sticky, so it's not dry yet. So just make sure you let it dry. All right, to dry. Enough. It broke. Okay. Well, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. She's asleep now. So, what happened with that, I didn't evenly put the wax on. So, some parts were way too thin. Like, you can like see through there. And, I mean, it got some hair off. But, yeah, some parts were just like way too thin. So, next time, I'm just gonna try to make sure it's like all even. And it should come off better. So I'm gonna add more baby powder just because I'm sweating. I be getting nervous when I wax myself and when I go to the waxing place. I just be sweating so much, so the baby powder helps absorb that. So I'm gonna put more on here and just get all of the rest of the hair off, kind of like a cleanup. Alright, spray this again to clean it. I'm also gonna add a little bit of aloe. And boom, one armpit is done. I'm using GG beads, GG hard wax beads. You can get that you can get this off of Amazon as well. I can put a link for that. And it's a really big bag, so this lasts me a long time since it's just me using it. But yeah, I like it. Sensitive skin, haven't had any problems with it. And try to hold, like, try to make the skin as stretched as possible. So that's why I have my hand over my head and I'm kind of pulling it so that the skin is kind of stretched out, because if it was like loose and stuff like that, you wouldn't be able to get all the hair as well. So I'm trying to make sure it's all stretched out. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Don't blow on the wax to cool it off because that's unsanitary. I don't know, even I don't do that. Even though I'm using this just for myself, I still don't blow it. I just kind of twirl it, and that works fine. I'll do another one in the other direction just to make sure I get all the hairs. I'm gonna clean it again. Trying to remove any excess wax left over. Aloe. There. Now I am done. I have nice freshly waxed armpits, a nice sleeping baby. All right, I should be good for like a month or so. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about any of the products I used, or you know, the whole process and everything, just comment below and I will be sure to reply. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.